Hello everyone, welcome back to Agriculture Insight. Have you ever wondered how millions of tiny sesame seeds make their way from farms to your favorite foods? Every year, farmers around the world harvest an astonishing 2 million tons of sesame seeds, playing a crucial role in the global food industry. From vast mechanized farms using combine harvesters to small-scale farmers carefully hand-picking each plant, sesame harvesting is a fascinating process that requires skill, precision, and the right timing to prevent seed loss. But the journey doesn't stop there. After harvesting, these seeds go through an extensive processing and manufacturing cycle. In this video, we take you behind the scenes to explore the entire journey of sesame, from the golden fields where they are grown to the high-tech factories where they are processed. Stay with us to discover how this tiny seed makes a big impact. Let's get started. Sesame, one of the oldest cultivated crops in the world, is known for its tiny yet powerful seeds. These seeds come from the Sesamum indicum plant, which thrives in warm, tropical, and subtropical climates. Sesame plants grow up to 3 to 6 feet tall, producing delicate flowers that later turn into seed-filled pods. When matured, these pods burst open, scattering the tiny seeds inside. Sesame seeds are famous for their nutty flavor, high oil content, and various health benefits. They contain essential nutrients like calcium, magnesium, and healthy fats, making them a key ingredient in numerous culinary and industrial applications. The world's largest producers of sesame include Sudan, Myanmar, India, Tanzania, Nigeria, and China. These countries contribute to the global production of over 2 million tons of sesame seeds annually. Sudan leads in exports, especially to the Middle East, while Myanmar is known for producing high-quality sesame. India is a significant producer of both white and black sesame seeds, whereas Tanzania and Nigeria are among Africa's key sesame suppliers. China, on the other hand, is particularly important for sesame oil production. Sesame plants are ready for harvesting 90 to 150 days after planting. The key indicator of maturity is when 70 to 80% of the pods turn yellow or brown, signaling that the seeds inside are ready. Harvesting sesame requires precision to minimize seed loss, as the pods naturally split open when dry. Farmers must carefully choose the right time to begin harvesting to prevent excessive loss and ensure maximum yield. If harvested too early, the seeds may not have fully developed, leading to lower oil content and reduced quality. On the other hand, if left too long, the pods may split prematurely, causing seeds to drop to the ground and be lost. There are two main methods of harvesting sesame, and each comes with its own set of advantages and challenges. On large-scale farms, the preferred method is mechanized harvesting using combine harvesters, which are specialized machines designed to efficiently cut the sesame plants and separate the seeds from the stalks in a single operation. These machines make the process much faster and reduce the need for extensive manual labor, which is particularly beneficial on farms where thousands of acres of sesame are cultivated. The combine harvester gathers the plants, shakes out the seeds, and processes them on site, ensuring a streamlined and efficient harvesting process. This not only saves time but also improves productivity by allowing farmers to harvest vast fields quickly before weather conditions can negatively affect the crop. However, using mechanized harvesting requires careful equipment calibration to avoid unnecessary seed loss. Since sesame seeds are incredibly small and lightweight, improper settings on the combine harvester can lead to excessive seed dispersal, causing financial losses for farmers. Key adjustments, such as the height of the cutting blades, the speed of the rotating components, and airflow control, must be fine-tuned to optimize efficiency. If the airflow is too strong, seeds may be blown away. If too weak, excess plant material might mix with the seeds, affecting overall quality. One of the biggest advantages of mechanized harvesting is the significant reduction in labor costs. Traditionally, harvesting sesame manually requires a large workforce, making it a time-consuming and expensive process. With modern agricultural machinery, farmers can dramatically cut down on the number of workers needed, resulting in long-term cost savings. However, this method does come with a downside: high initial investment costs. Combined harvesters and their maintenance can be expensive, making them less accessible to small-scale farmers. As a result, many smaller farms continue to rely on traditional manual methods, which, while slower, require less financial investment in machinery. On small farms, the process is much more labor-intensive. Farmers cut the plants by hand using sickles or machetes. The cut plants are then carefully laid out in the field for drying, a process that typically lasts about a week. This allows the remaining pods to split open naturally, making seed extraction easier. Once dried, farmers have two options for separating the seeds. Some use small-scale seed separator machines, which mechanically remove the seeds from the dried stalks. Others opt for traditional manual methods, which involve beating the plants against a hard surface to loosen the seeds. The shaken-out seeds are then collected and winnowed to remove unwanted plant debris, ensuring only clean sesame seeds remain. This process requires patience and skill, as excessive force can damage the seeds, reducing their market value. The clean seeds are then bagged and sent for further processing. Despite the labor-intensive nature of manual harvesting, small farmers prefer this method in certain regions where mechanical harvesters are not available or where sesame is grown on uneven terrain. While less efficient than mechanized harvesting, hand harvesting ensures better control over quality, as farmers can carefully inspect the plants and select only fully mature sesame pods. Regardless of the method used, sesame harvesting remains a crucial step in ensuring high-quality seeds that will eventually be processed into various valuable products. Once harvested, sesame seeds go through several steps before reaching consumers. The first step is cleaning, where dust, stones, and plant residues are removed using air blowers and sieves. This ensures only pure sesame seeds move forward in the process. Some factories also conduct hulling, an optional step where the outer shell is removed to enhance the seed's smooth texture. The next step is drying, which reduces the moisture content to prevent spoilage during storage. Proper drying is essential for maintaining the seed's quality and extending their shelf life. After drying, the seeds go through sorting, where they are categorized based on size, color, and quality. Modern factories use optical sorting machines to separate defective seeds from the batch, ensuring that only premium quality seeds make it to the market. Finally, the processed sesame seeds are packed into bulk bags or retail-sized packaging for export or direct sale. The packaged seeds are then shipped to various destinations worldwide, where they will be used in different industries, from food production to cosmetics. Tahini is a creamy paste made from ground sesame seeds. It's a key ingredient in dishes like hummus, salad dressings, and Middle Eastern cuisine. This versatile ingredient has been used for centuries and remains a staple in many kitchens worldwide. The production process of tahini begins with roasting the sesame seeds. The roasting step enhances the nutty flavor and aroma of the seeds. The level of roasting varies depending on regional preferences, with some preferring lightly roasted tahini, while others enjoy a deeper, nuttier taste. After roasting, the seeds undergo grinding. They are ground into a smooth paste using heavy stone grinders or modern industrial machines. During this process, some manufacturers may add a small amount of oil to improve texture. Once the grinding is complete, the tahini is passed through quality control checks to ensure consistency and purity. The final product is then packaged into jars, bottles, or tubs and distributed to markets worldwide. Tahini is widely used in cooking, particularly in Mediterranean and Middle Eastern dishes. It is a core ingredient in hummus, baba ganoush, and salad dressings. It is also used in baking, adding richness to cookies, cakes, and bread. Many enjoy tahini as a dip, simply mixed with lemon, garlic, and spices. Sesame oil is another valuable product derived from sesame seeds. It is a popular cooking oil, particularly in Asian and Middle Eastern cuisine. Beyond culinary uses, it is also widely used in cosmetics and traditional medicine due to its moisturizing and anti-inflammatory properties. The production of sesame oil begins with cleaning and roasting the sesame seeds. Roasting brings out the rich aroma and deep flavor characteristic of sesame oil. The seeds are then sent through pressing machines, which extract the oil using either cold pressing or hot pressing techniques. Cold-pressed sesame oil retains more nutrients and has a lighter taste, while hot-pressed oil has a stronger, nuttier flavor due to the intense heat. After pressing, the extracted oil undergoes filtration to remove impurities and ensure clarity. The purified oil is then bottled and packaged for sale. Sesame oil is a versatile product used for cooking, adding flavor to stir-fries, marinades, and dressings. It is also an essential component in skincare, thanks to its hydrating and anti-aging properties. Additionally, sesame oil has medicinal applications and is used in traditional treatments for skin, hair, and joint health. And another popular plant that is often used to make oil is peanuts. From the underground magic of peanut growth to the machines that bring this mighty little prince of crops to life, the journey of peanuts continues with the exciting process of harvesting. Let's explore how these golden treasures are carefully extracted and prepared for the next stage of their adventure. First, peanut farming begins in late spring when the soil warms to 65 to 70 degrees Celsius. Farmers plant seeds in neat rows, ensuring enough space for the plants to grow. Throughout the summer, the plants flourish with lush green foliage and bright yellow flowers appear, a sign that the miraculous process of peanut formation is underway. By late summer or early fall, it's time for the grand finale, the harvest season. Timing is crucial, as peanuts must be dug up before the first frost, which could ruin the crop. The peanut harvesting process in the United States is a sophisticated operation powered by modern agricultural machinery and advanced technology. It involves two main stages: digging and drying, followed by separating the peanuts from the vines. In the first stage, farmers use digger-shaker machines, which gently dig into the soil, uproot the peanut plants, and flip them upside down. This exposes the peanuts to direct sunlight, allowing them to naturally dry over several days in a process known as windrowing. Equipped with GPS navigation and automated depth control, digger-shaker machines ensure precise digging at the optimal soil depth, preventing crop damage while maximizing yield. The drying step is crucial, as it reduces the moisture content of the peanuts, preventing spoilage and ensuring optimal quality. Once the peanuts have dried sufficiently, the second stage begins with the use of combine harvesters, which separate the peanuts from the vines. The combine employs spinning rotors and vibrating screens to carefully extract the peanuts while minimizing damage to their shells. Modern combines are fitted with AI-powered sensors and moisture detectors, which provide real-time data on peanut quality and moisture levels, allowing for on-the-go adjustments to harvesting speed and processing intensity. The invention of the combine harvester was a revolutionary breakthrough that transformed American agriculture, becoming a source of pride for U.S. farmers. It played a pivotal role in the mechanization of modern farming, significantly shaping the future of global agriculture. The leftover plant material, known as peanut hay, is repurposed as livestock feed, promoting a zero-waste farming approach. The peanut hay processing process in the U.S. also utilizes modern machinery to optimize efficiency to the highest level. After the combine harvester collects the peanuts, the remaining hay is gathered by an automated hay rake. This advanced machine automatically forms neat windrows, saving time and labor in the collection process. The modern harvesting process yields golden, dry peanuts, ready for processing. These high-quality peanuts are stored in silos under optimal conditions before being swiftly transported to factories. Each season, American farmers harvest a record 5.9 billion pounds of peanuts. Because peanut harvesting isn't just manual labor, it's an art that blends modern agricultural technology. So the next time you enjoy peanut butter or a bag of crunchy peanuts, remember that behind every peanut is a marvel of technology and the hard work of American farmers. After leaving the farm, peanuts embark on an exciting journey to processing facilities where they are transformed into the irresistible treats we all adore. Here, the humble raw peanut undergoes a flavorful makeover, emerging as roasted delights, savory salted snacks, creamy peanut butter, or even sweet candied treasures. The first step in the processing of peanuts is cleaning. Machines remove dirt, stones, and any leftover plant material, ensuring that the peanuts are clean and free from debris. This is followed by sorting, where advanced sorting machines equipped with lasers and air jets work efficiently to separate peanuts by size, color, and quality. Only the best peanuts, meeting strict standards, are selected for further processing, ensuring a premium product for consumers. After sorting, the next step is shelling, where large-scale shelling machines come into play. These machines use gentle yet precise mechanisms to crack open the peanut pods without damaging the delicate kernels inside. The machines are designed to separate the soft peanut kernels from the hard shells, using a combination of mechanical pressure and vibration. Once the peanuts are cleaned, sorted, and shelled, they move to the roasting and grinding stages. And now the big reveal. For peanuts destined to become snacks, they are roasted using either hot air or oil roasters. These roasters cook the peanuts at high temperatures, unlocking their rich, nutty goodness and making them irresistibly crunchy. And then, there's the national treasure that's bound to pique your curiosity even more: peanut butter. Whether it's creamy or crunchy, this beloved spread is the true MVP of American snacks. For peanut butter production, roasted peanuts are ground into a smooth or chunky consistency, depending on the desired product. During the grinding process, a pinch of salt and sometimes sugar is added for flavor, and the peanuts are further processed into the creamy, spreadable consistency that has made peanut butter a favorite food across the country. Once processed and packaged, the peanuts embark on their next adventure, becoming part of game day snacks and family gatherings, continuing to bring joy far beyond the factory. Peanuts, or as we like to call them, the little prince of the crunchy snack world, have a remarkable way of sneaking into every corner of American life.
People were introduced to peanut butter for the first time.
Everybody skippy dipping till it's out.
Much like rock and roll or the timeless allure of Marilyn Monroe on the silver screen, peanuts have become a cultural icon in their own right. From fueling soldiers on the battlefield to bringing smiles to millions of children, from lively football games to the family dinner table, peanuts have become a humble yet powerful source of nourishment in kitchens across America. The Little Prince is more than just a snack. It's a collection of memories. The simple joy of sharing a peanut butter and jelly sandwich or tossing a handful of peanuts into a salad has become part of the daily rituals that bring joy to countless moments. First things first, peanuts are not nuts. Yep, they're legumes, cousins to beans and lentils. Native to South America, peanuts have journeyed like the Little Prince from distant lands to become a golden crop in the U.S., predominantly grown in states like Georgia, Alabama, and Texas. Despite their small size, peanuts contribute billions of dollars annually to the U.S. economy, supporting farmers, processors, and numerous related industries around the world. The peanut plant isn't just any ordinary crop, it's a clever little trickster in the plant world. It stretches low across the ground, spreading its leafy arms wide like a green blanket soaking up the sun. At first glance, you might think all the action happens above the soil, but the real magic takes place underground, where nature's hidden workshop buzzes with activity. It all starts with the peanut's cheerful yellow flowers, which bloom brightly for just a short while. These aren't your average flowers, they have a secret mission. After pollination, the flowers transform into something called pegs. These pegs are like tiny botanical divers, growing downward and plunging purposefully into the soil. It's as if the plant knows the best treasures are always buried. Once safely underground, the pegs begin their metamorphosis. The tip of each peg swells and grows into a peanut pod, hidden away like nature's buried gold. The peanut's development is a fascinating dance between above-ground elegance and underground ingenuity. While the plant busily gathers sunlight to fuel its growth, the peanuts slowly mature in their cozy, earthy hideout. And just like that, snack time becomes a delightful game of hide-and-seek, where you dig through the soil to uncover the treasure trove of peanuts waiting below. It's a reminder that sometimes the best surprises are the ones you can't see at first glance. The journey of the peanut also ends here, but its story is far from over. From its humble origins as a legume to becoming a crucial part of American culture and economy, the peanut is a true testament to the innovation and dedication of American farmers and the agricultural industry. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey, from the golden peanut fields to the processing plants and all the way to your pantry. If you enjoyed this adventure, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more insights into the world of farming and the incredible journey of everyday foods. See you on the next adventure.